everyone, welcome back in another video, and in this quick guide I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook from all the devices. This is super useful if you think someone else might have access to your account, if you just want to secure your profile. Let's get started. First of all, open settings. Open the Facebook app and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom corner of your phone. Then open the menu, then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, then select settings. You can click on privacy checkup and you can see who can see what you share, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, how to keep your account secure, your ad preferences on Facebook. Next, take a moment to review the devices and location. If you see any devices you don't recognize, it's a good idea to log them out immediately. To log out from all devices, scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap log out of all sessions, and then confirm, tap log out to proceed. This will log you out of Facebook on every device except the one you're currently using. Optional security tip. For extra security, consider changing your password right after logging out. This ensures that anyone who might have access can't log back in. For your change of password, I have made a different video, so you can go ahead and check that video out as well. So yeah, and that's it. You've successfully logged out of Facebook from all the devices and secured your account. If this guide helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon for more quick easy tips on staying safe offline. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you